Good morning and welcome to the allotment. It's got a bee going around my head, but nothing to worry about, it's gone away now. So we're down this morning and I'm just going to plant out the brassicas. So if we have a look at what we've got to plant out. So I've got cauliflower there, Zaragoza, cauliflower Therese, cauliflower Boris, cabbage Resolution and cabbage Tundra. And then over this side we've got some Calabrese Monclano. Okay, so the plan is to plant out the cauliflower and cabbage in one bed and the Calabrese in another bed. So the bed here, which had the onions in yesterday, is going to have the collies and cabbage in, and then I've got another bed a bit further away that's going to have the Calabrese in. So without further ado, I'll get on with doing the work. Okay, so the first job is to mix up some lime and chicken pellets. If you've seen one of my videos before on planting brassicas, it's a set procedure I follow. So I've got a kilo of chicken pellets and a kilo of lime. I put about a third of the kilo of chicken pellets in with the lime, mix it up. The rest of the chicken pellets can be kept. Okay, so that's mixed up. Then I've got the line in place, so it's just a matter of putting these in. They're not the best. So this cabbage Tundra is what I'm going to start with. So a handful of this lime and chicken pellet mixture in the planting hole, and put the cabbage in place. I'm only going to get 2 cabbage plants in. So next thing I'll put in is the Boris cauliflower. Just found some weeds on mist. I've got 4 of these to put in, possibly 5. Let's have a look. There's a nice strong one. Better put the label up this end where they start. Okay, so I've managed to pack in all the cabbage and cauliflower into this one bed. Say a bit close, but doesn't really matter. Let's So just gotta give these a good water now, and put the cover over. It is a nice warm day. Okay, so I've just got a similar process to do with the other bed now, with the Calabrese. Okay, just to finish off then, so I've planted out the cabbage and the collies, which I've recorded, and then I've done the Calabrese. See, in this bed here, put the Calabrese in using the same technique. Okay, and while I've been down, I've also picked some veg as well. Down here you can see I've got a cabbage and a few small carrots. That'll go with some of the other veg, the peas and that we picked the other day, and the potatoes, and that'll make another meal. Okay, so a relatively short visit to the allotment. I've just got to cover those Calabrese and then I'll be going home. So until next time, see you again soon. Bye.